come and see these. These are beautiful birds. And you can see all of these birds over here. So we have, I don't know if you can see all of them. Yeah, you can come close. Just come close and see. Yeah, there is, over there, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I think allowed that 13 maybe, or more than 13. So, and oh, they're here. You can see them. Yeah, so if you look at this over here, building bright future for whatever that is a word Macaws species. Pages, there is this one, there is Parrots, and I think these different type of parrots. Yeah, these are different types, and you can see all that. But yeah, you can see them. So
I see that rainbow one.
I would love to know like what is the name of each type of you know, a parrot. I don't know if they say anything over here. You know, so I mean they have different colors. You can see. You know, they have different colors. There is more red and blue. There is more red, and you can see their beak is different. I think this is the smartest, wise bird because it can understand when you say something, or it can repeat what you say. And look how beautiful they are. So, yeah. And then I will keep going. Like I said. Yeah, oh, you see all of them, right?